Okay, now we're going to give everybody about a minute to wrap up with their key takeaways. We'll do it in the sequence of the speakers. So, Almudena Arcelis, can we have your key takeaways, please?
Yes. First, the blockchain technology is a groundbreaking development in data management, and firms are actively investigating how the integration of blockchain networks into their operations could serve important business purposes. Second key takeaway, due to the structural features underlying blockchain technology, there are valid antitrust concerns that arise as critics are continuing to point out. However, blockchain technology is only a data management tool, and the impact of blockchain adoption on the antitrust landscape will depend on how networks are designed and whether effective oversight can be established. And third, regulators and firms may be able to leverage thoughtful design strategies to develop blockchain networks that offset some of these antitrust risks and promote competition in marketplaces where blockchain becomes relevant. Thank you, Sal.
Thank you very much, Almudena Arcelis. Dr. Ai Deng, your key takeaways, please.
Sure. Now, in my part of the presentation, I focused on the implications of these emerging technologies, particularly smart contracts, on both explicit and tacit exclusion. I have argued that although smart contracts offer a very efficient way to enforce an agreement, an explicit cartel may not find it palatable to codify its illegal agreement in the form of a smart contract. Now, of course, it doesn't mean that cartel would never use or take advantage of smart contracts to carry out their operations. I think from the perspective of an antitrust agency, I do believe that it will need to have access, readily available access to expertise in smart contract design and programming in order to really catch the bad guys and uncover the evidence. Now, I also discussed how collusion may arise in more subtle ways, as highlighted in recent academic research. An open question is how to achieve the efficiency of distributed consensus made available by the record keepers, those Oracle service providers, without increasing the risk of collusion. And I do believe that we will see more research, more discussions, and more debate on this question on this in coming years. Now, I do want to end my remark on a positive note. I think we've talked a lot about potential risks, and which may really sound depressing and negative about blockchain. But I personally am very excited about the potential of blockchain to really fundamentally change how a lot of industries and markets work in a very, very positive way. Thank you, Sal.
Thank you, Dr. Ai Deng. And finally, Howard Ullman, your key takeaways, sir.
Thanks, Sal. So very briefly, look, this is a very exciting new technology. A lot of people obviously are interested in it. It's got a lot of potential pro-competitive benefits, reducing transaction costs, increasing transparency, and the like. And joint ventures that utilize blockchain technology will indeed often pass antitrust muster. That said, competitors who form or participate in blockchain ventures need to be mindful of the potential antitrust risks and take appropriate actions to mitigate them. And that's especially true in connection with applications where price or output or cost information is recorded and shared on the blockchain, and also in connection with membership issues and IP ownership issues that may read on the technology. So thanks very much for your attention today.